Hello guys. So today Apple will have the earning news after the market close, and we are nearly at the end of the close. Now it is 3:50, so we have only 10 minutes. Now, what do I expect for Apple? So it could be two things. Okay, so I expect in general like $10 up or down. For example, the price is now 154.56, so it could go to, for example, 164, like a $10 gap. Let's say it is $10 gap, and tomorrow we will see this. Okay, at the beginning, just $10. Now, if Apple have a gap down, we can take $10 down, so it will be 144, and we can have here we can have what we call a gap down. So no one knows until we see the price for tomorrow. Now, today it means try to check about let's say at 5 or at 6 or at 7 p.m. You can go just to check online Nasdaq or Google, and you can see the change of the price for Apple. Okay, so if you have bought Apple, be careful, as you can see that Apple, like Twitter, like Facebook, they will be very, very volatile. So check that. Thank you very much.